Hello students, welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today our topic chapter number 8, that is application of integral. Chapter number 8, application of integral. In this topic there are some basic concept of conic section, that is right hand parabola. Right hand parabola, in this parabola the coordinate of focus is A0 and this is right hand parabola. Right hand parabola, and the equation of this y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4x, and the vertex of the parabola, that is 0 0. Second, left hand parabola, left hand parabola passes through the origin, and the coordinate of focus minus a comma 0, and the equation of this parabola, that is y square is equal to minus 4x. Y square is equal to minus 4x. Third, upward parabola. In upward parabola, x-axis, y-axis, this is the figure. Coordinate of focus, that is 0a, and equation of parabola, that is x square is equal to 4ay. And fourth, that is downward parabola, x-axis, this is y-axis, downward parabola, focus 0 minus a, and the equation of this parabola, that is x square is equal to minus 4ay. Clear? There are 4 parabolas. In all the parabolas, vertex 0 0. Clear? These are the main point in parabola. Now, ellipse. Ellipse, there are two ellipses, that is horizontal ellipse and vertical ellipse. This is horizontal ellipse, and in ellipse, coordinate of focus, that is AE comma 0. AE that is equal to C, and the F2 second focus minus AE comma 0. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and the coordinate of this point A comma 0, and the coordinate of this point 0 comma b. Equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, a greater than b, always a greater than b, correct, in the ellipse. And the second type of ellipse, that is vertical form. X-axis, y-axis, vertical form of the ellipse, coordinate of focus, you can say 0 comma c, and this you can say 0 comma minus c, and coordinate 0 comma a, and coordinate b comma 0. And the equation of vertical ellipse, that is x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. In this question, a greater than b. There are two types of ellipse. Next, the basic form of circle. Circle, you know, circle, if the center of the circle lies on the origin 0 0, and this point is r comma 0, the equation of this circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. And standard form of the circle, that is coordinate h comma k, o, this is x comma y, this is radius. You know that OA is equal to r, radius. Now you can apply here distance formula. Equation of circle, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Clear? And the second equation of line passing through origin. Equation of line passing through origin. Equation of this line, that is y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx, y is equal to x, y is equal to 2x, y is equal to 3x, y is equal to 4x. All line passes through the origin. Suppose if y is equal to minus x, minus 2x, it means that line is passes through here. Clear? These are the main point of this chapter. Next, suppose your shaded portion is attached with x-axis, suppose like this, and your portion is this. You want to find the area of this portion. A, B, C, D. Equation of this line x is equal to A. Equation of this line x is equal to B. And you want to find the area of the shaded region. Area naming, you can say A, B, C, D, A. A, B, C, D, A. Limit left to right, A to B, And from the curve, from the equation of the curve, put the value of y here in the form of x, y dx. That's the point. If your area lies below x-axis, then you have to write the modulus, because you know that area can't be negative. If area is negative, then how we can say it is in the form of negative. Second, x-axis, y-axis. Suppose your area lies here. Attached with y-axis, y is equal to c, y is equal to d. Then you can say area limit c to d, that is x dy. This is the formula, area of the shaded portion. Okay students.